I'm so excited. This is Recon EAS here in Phoenix, Arizona, with an extremely special unboxing. As you can tell by the title, I have the rarest radio and most wanted radio in the EAS community. And now, I've gotten my hands on one, all from Mercari, for $64. And I am able to here unbox it to you. First things first, it came in a Midland box. From, looks like the guy sent it in a very trashy box. It says WR-100. He must have gotten like 5 radios or something like that from it. But anyway, let's not waste any time. Let's cut this open. Doesn't look like that's already open. Let me do this one-handedly safely. Okay, that's not... Let me cut this. I'm doing this very dangerously. I'm cutting thing with one knife. Alright. What? An E-ready? What is this? Oh, okay. Well, screw this box. This is an ER. Interesting. He left the film for the WR-210. I guess that's a power adapter. This is an WR-210 box. You can see there. Let's cut this free. One hand cutting. Amazing. Let me just... not cutting and killing myself. Cut that open. That's cut open. What else do I need to cut? I definitely do not want to cut myself open. So that would be bad. Alright. Keep cutting. Just keep cutting. Just keep cutting. Cutting. Just keep cutting. Just keep cutting. Tape. As well. Definitely tape. Cut this open. Someone is calling me on Discord, but right now, sorry, I'm unboxing this real quickly because I don't have a lot of time. Sorry, I couldn't do a call with anybody. I do want to thank the EAS community for the support and me getting this radio. My collection has gone so much far. Again, I'm sorry that I wasn't able to talk to you guys on a Discord chat, especially for this radio. Let's open this thing up. Came in this weird little pouch thingy. Let me put the phone down really quick. Open this up. Tear the crap out of this thing, because why not? Alright. Let's pull the baby out. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't believe I have a black and silver. Oh my god. It's still in the original. It's still in the original freaking bag. It's never... Actually, it's been used. I think he put it in a different bag. So let's cut the tape off here. Oh my god, I cannot believe I got this. We pull the radio out. Oh my god, here it is. Here it is, look at that. It's got the pretty green statement light, watch, warning. And it's not public alert certified, cause for some reason. NOAA. Please be, okay, please be a version 2. Please be a version 2. Alright, it's a version 1, which, that's still okay, I don't really mind. Version 1, black and silver is a black and silver nonetheless. Take a look at battery. Oh my god, it's pristine! No corrosion! He said this radio was very lightly used, and I believe him. This is almost brand freaking new. Wow. Alright, let's press all the buttons, flip all the switches, to wish the radio good luck in its service. EAS community tradition. Alright, let's get this power adapter out, because I don't have batteries, because you know how I am. I am no Battery Joe. Okay, let's open this up. Come on. I need adapter. I think this is the original one too. Pull that out. That's the original power adapter. Look how big this thing is. Jeez, look at this thing. Alright, hold on, let me unravel this. And plug the baby in. Plug that in. And... Alright, here we go. Lamp test plus power on in 3, 2, 1. What?! 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 I do not have a version 2. What?! What?! Oh my god. I have a version 2, black and silver. Oh my god. Oh my god. I am speechless. This radio has gone from rare to extremely rare in 2 seconds. Version 2s, black and silvers almost don't exist. Oh my god. Alright, well, let's set this thing up. Backlight is amazing. It's 7:15. 7:16 actually. Let me. Whoopsies. 16. Select. Alert type. Display. I want voice. Same set. I want any. Channel.
Partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming cloudy.
Patchy
fog overnight. Low 64.
Oh my god, it works!
Tuesday, cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy.
A little iffy on reception, but we can work with that and get the power adapter away.
Tonight, clear.
Can't get pressed it. Alright, that's fine. As long as it gets Phoenix, I'm good. Alarm. But I have a version 2 black and silver. What the actual?
Flagstaff, tonight.
Wow. Wow. Alrighty, guys. Sorry I'm rushing through this, but I don't have a lot of time. Anyway, guys, I can't believe this. Oh. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna finish this up. This is Recon EAS. Please like and subscribe. This is a lot of support for me, guys. That'll help me a lot in the future, and you'll see more videos from me on this channel, featuring this in my version 2 and all the other radios. I'm just speechless at this point. Anyway, guys, I guess I'll see you next week, because I can't do the Record Weekly test because I'm going to be busy. And so, yeah. Anyway, guys, this is Recon. I will see you guys later.